friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about a brand new method for 2026. With this, you can unlock any iPhone's password, any iPhone that's unavailable, or any iPhone's security lockout completely free without a PC or laptop. So how you can do this, I'll explain to you now. Keep watching the video carefully. Don't skip any part of the video. So, friends, if you happen to own any model of iPhone and you've got a password set on your iPhone, or perhaps your iPhone has become unavailable, or maybe your iPhone is stuck on a security lockout screen and you're just unable to unlock your iPhone. So friends, the method I'm sharing in this video today, with this method, you can 100% unlock any iPhone's password, unavailable status or security lockout completely free without a PC or laptop. Just watch the video carefully. Don't skip any part of it. So friends, what you need to do if you have any iPhone model, then what exactly should you do? Friends, you need to click on your phone's emergency option, and after that, my friends, you will have to dial *#. And friends, if you happen to like this video, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you're visiting our channel for the very first time, then please do subscribe to the channel, because I consistently bring you really good videos related to mobile unlocking. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel. So friends, you need to dial *#7 3 6 9 1 star star 3 0 6 6 4 H star. Friends, you will need to dial this particular code. Alright, my friends, I'm going to tell you this code right now, and then I'll show it to you clearly. So the code you have to dial is *73691*30664#. And friends, after you've successfully dialed this code, you just need to click on it. Now, my friends, you need to dial one final code. The moment you dial that code, your iPhone will be unlocked. So please keep watching this video very carefully. Do not skip even a small part of this video. So what you need to dial is *#H *H 5 9 2 0 7 7 3 6 4 6 *#H need to dial the last Scorpio code. Alright, my friends, I'm going to show you this particular code very clearly, and I'll also explain exactly what you need to do with it. You will have to dial *#5920773646 and then, my friends, once you have successfully dialed this specific code, all you have to do is simply click on it. Oh no, my friends, you don't have to do anything else at all. You simply need to press and hold down both the power key and the volume up buttons simultaneously. That's the power key and the volume up button. So my friends, please pay very close attention and watch this video carefully. Do not skip any part of this video, not even for a single second. Friends, here you need to hold the power key and volume up buttons for 13 seconds. For 13 seconds. So keep watching the video carefully. Do not skip the video at all. Friends, keep watching the video carefully here. So friends, you can see our phone is automatically resetting right here. Just look at this. Our phone is automatically resetting right now. Friends, I'm going to tell you what you need to do next. So watch the video carefully. Friends, our phone is now completely switched off. And friends, our phone has turned on here. So friends, our phone has now restarted. Friends, I'm going to fast forward this video, so please watch carefully. Don't skip any part of the video. Friends, our phone has now started up and the problem we had with it has been solved. Take a look. So if you like this video, please like it, share it as much as possible, subscribe to the channel, and do tell us in the comments how you liked our video.